everyone. Welcome back to today's talk with Chatgpt sessions. Our topic today is how to build self-discipline and stay focused. In the sessions, we will explore what discipline really means, how to strengthen it, and how to stay focused in the world full of distraction. So let's begin our conversation with ChatGPT. Let's start. Hello, ChatGPT. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's everything going on your end?
I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. I want to take interview for 10 minutes. The topic is how to build this self-discipline and stay focused. So I'm ready.
That's awesome. It's definitely a valuable skill. We can definitely break it down into small, manageable steps and make a plan that works for you. Let me know
Okay.
what specific areas you'd like to focus on, and we can dive right in.
Okay, my first question is what does self-discipline really mean?
Absolutely. Self discipline is super important for achieving goals and staying on track. We can start by identifying some daily habits and routines that can help build that discipline. And of course, we can also talk about strategies to stay focused and motivated along the way. Let me know where you'd like to begin.
Okay, good answer. So my next question is what is self-discipline important for success?
That's a great question. Self discipline is crucial for success because it helps you stay consistent and focused, even when motivation fades. It allows you to stick to your goals, manage your time effectively, and overcome obstacles. Essentially, it's what turns your intentions into actions and ultimately results.
Okay, my next question is how is self-discipline different from motivation?
That's another interesting one. So, motivation is often temporary and can fluctuate depending on how we feel, whereas self discipline is more about sticking to your commitments even when motivation dips. In other words, self discipline keeps you on track and helps you maintain progress, even during times when you might not feel inspired. It's like the backbone of long term success.
Okay, good answer. My next question is what are the first steps to developing strong discipline?
Absolutely. Some of the initial steps include setting clear and achievable goals, creating a structured daily routine, and starting with small, manageable tasks that build momentum. Also, practicing consistency, tracking your progress, and rewarding yourself for small wins can really help. We can definitely break these down further and customize them to what works best for you.
Okay, my next question is how can someone train their mind to follow good habits?
That's a great question. One way is to start by cultivating self awareness, like paying attention to your habits and identifying which ones are helpful and which aren't. Another important step is to replace bad habits with positive ones gradually and to set clear, realistic goals. Also, mindfulness practices like meditation can help you stay focused and reinforce good habits over time. It's all about consistency and patience.
Okay. Why is consistency more important than intensity?
In many cases, yes, consistency often trumps intensity. It's usually more effective to maintain steady, small efforts over time rather than going all out in short bursts and then burning out. Consistency helps build habits and keeps you on track, whereas intensity can be more challenging to sustain over the long term. So, building a routine that you can stick with consistently often leads to better long term success.
Okay, good answer. My next question is how can someone avoid breaking their routine?
That's a really important topic. One effective way is to start by setting clear, realistic goals and breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks. It's also helpful to create a routine and stick to it, even if it's just a small step each day. Another key is to minimize distractions, create a conducive environment, and keep track of your progress. And of course, being patient and forgiving with yourself is crucial.
Okay, my next question is why do people lose focus easily in today's digital world?
That's definitely a common challenge. One way to tackle it is by setting specific, achievable goals and breaking tasks into smaller chunks. You can also try using techniques like the Pomodoro technique, where you work for a set period and then take a short break. Eliminating distractions, like putting your phone on silent or working in a quiet space, can also help a lot. Over time, these habits can help improve your focus and reduce that tendency to get distracted.
Okay, how can a person deal with laziness or lack of energy?
Dealing with laziness often involves a mix of mindset shifts and practical strategies. For starters, setting clear and meaningful goals can give you that extra motivation. Breaking tasks into smaller, more manageable steps can make them feel less overwhelming. Also, building a routine and sticking to it helps create momentum. Another good approach is to identify and remove distractions and to reward yourself for completing tasks. And of course, being kind to yourself and recognizing progress, no matter how small, can go a long way.
Okay, my next question is, what should someone do when they feel like
You're welcome. If
quitting
you
their goals?
absolutely, it can definitely feel that way sometimes. Just remember that it's a process and it's okay to have ups and downs. The key is to keep moving forward, even if it's just a small step at a time. And I'm here to help you along the way.
Okay, my next question is, how can someone rebuild discipline after failing?
Getting back on track after a setback can definitely be challenging, but it's totally possible. One approach is to reflect on what caused the setback and learn from it. Then gradually reestablish your routine and set small, achievable goals to rebuild momentum. It's also helpful to practice self compassion and remind yourself that setbacks are a normal part of the journey. And of course, I'm always here to support you.
Okay, good answer. And my next question is, what is the 5 minute rule and how does it help with discipline?
Great question. Mindfulness is all about being present and fully engaged in the moment without judgment. It helps with discipline by increasing your self awareness, allowing you to notice when your mind starts to wander or when you're getting distracted. Over time, practicing mindfulness can help you develop greater control over your impulses and stay focused on your goals. It also reduces stress and increases resilience, which makes it easier to maintain discipline in the long run.
Good answers. Okay, my next question is,